Alright, what is going on, guys? SpitefulHopes back again, and I just woke up, but I know for a fact we definitely must have gotten the character because I completely missed the live stream. So let's get into this and see exactly what's going down. Let's go straight into the BBS news. Okay, Joey Joestar. Oh no. So it's not Aizen at all? Bankai and Full Hollow Ichigo. Step 6 will be a 5-star character from a selected pool of 12 characters. Okay, that's pretty standard. I mean, that's not something that we haven't seen already. Oh, there we go. Shout out to Arale the God. Let's watch this shit together. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Damn, but no Aizen? Oh my god, it's literally Mugetsu from Ichigo. So is it... I mean, it looks like it's 2 characters, but it doesn't look anything like I expected. Like, I expected like a dual Dokkan Fest-ish type thing, except on the same banner, because BBS doesn't play those games. Bankai and Full Hollow Ichigo. I feel like vomiting right now, in like the best possible way, if that's even a thing. Oh no, 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 no! In 1,000 Year Blood War Yamamoto confirmed. Yo, guys. Keep in mind, when we got spoilers for 1,000 Year Blood War, we got a spoiler for Yuha, right? Yuak, whatever the hell you want to call them. However, when we got that little spoiler, it said coming soon, right? That coming soon ended up being literally the week after Anniversary Okiora. Yo, Teddy, you trying to like climb up on my girl? What are you doing? I'll tell you what you're doing. My dude trying to like take my seat at the head of the table. Like, yo, what is going on? Okay, so yeah, going into it. Let's check out what else we got. Arale X5IZ is confirmed. Yo, where are the people who said Yamamoto can't be a 1,000 Year Blood War unit? Now, one of the things that a lot of people get triggered about is and this is the one that I see the most often as someone who does Bleach Brave Souls content, and it's Yamamoto's voice actor passed away. You can't make a new character or whatever because his voice actor passed away. Bro, imagine, and God forbid, because I don't want to put this on anything, but imagine like one of the main characters of like One Piece passes away or Naruto passes away. You think they're like, do you really think the animation studio or the publisher is literally gonna let the entire franchise die, or they're just gonna kill off a character because one voice actor passes away? Like, I feel like that would be, 1, a disservice to the community, 2, a disservice towards the person who put their like voice into that character and they're all into that character, just for it to go when they do. Like, come on, guys. The like anime, for me anyways, has always been this immortal construct, which alright, I'm just getting into like, oh no! Mugetsu, oh no, what is this? Please, oh, wait, video's unavailable. The video's unavailable. Are you serious, bro? I'm gonna see if I can manipulate this. App desktop. Yo, they took it off already. Holy shit. Okay. Oh. Muken Aizen confirmed. Soi Fon confirmed. And Yamamoto confirmed. And this is definitely gonna be Bankai Yamamoto. Oh my god. Oh, they have it! Oh, yes! Please, daddy. Come to me. My bad. I'm hype right now. Oh my god, I'm about to fucking cry. Ah, she looks sick.
Bankai. Touch.
Is that the... It sounds like him too, though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it sounds like him. Oh my god, that is hype. What is this? Attack on Titan all openings? Why do I have reaction videos, dude? Maybe because I'm a reaction channel. I don't even know, but oh my god. Re-upload thanks to Blue Wave. Shout out to the god. Here we go. I'm about to put this. Here, dude, you can get the blessed roll. Yo, that's fucking insane, bro. Oh no, Aizen, bro. I need to watch this again. Oh, God, that is so beautiful, dude. I'm like, yo, dude, my face must be bad red right now. Y'all even made Soi Fon look sick. Oh my god.
Bankai. Touch.
Oh man. The zombies and everything. Oh, I can't, bro. I wish that there was a little more design to the zombies, since it looks like they're probably just gonna be in the special. But like, I get it, bro. Oh my god. Now, the one thing that I am surprised about is that we're not getting like a new Hogyoku Aizen, but I think, in my opinion, this is much better. I'm really hoping that... Oh, fuck. This is what happens when I get way too excited as I just wake up. I'm really hoping that this Bankai also comes with a speed Bankai Ichigo. Well, this Mugetsu form Ichigo comes with like a speed Bankai resurrection. I would love to see that. I don't think we got the stats and skills. I think that's something that Arale definitely would have posted. 5-star. Okay, here you go. 4th anniversary, free for 10x summons, 1 free 10x summons every day. Wow, up to 100 free characters. Your 100th character is guaranteed to be a 5-star. So you're guaranteed not to be cugged. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, K-Lab, yo, y'all are putting in work. I like this. I love seeing this. 4th anniversary, choose a 6-star summons. Get 1 of 10 characters chosen by you. Oh, okay, so this is exactly what people were trying to tell us. And then let me put on some music. We gotta get some hype music in here. Alright, so instead of choose a 6-star where they throw out 5 random characters, whether it be seasonal or in the premium pool, keep in mind, not time limited. This banner will most likely not have Camp for Your Own World or 1000 Year Blood War. Okay, so instead of choose a 6-star where they throw out 5 characters and you choose one of the 5 of the attributes that you selected, you will choose 10 characters from what seems to be the premium pool and the seasonal pool. After that, K-Lab will make a final call and randomly give you 1 of these 10 characters. This is incredibly good, in my opinion, because you will actually be almost 100% guaranteed to get the character you want or the duplicate you want. And the reason that I say duplicate is because there are some characters that you want as a duplicate. Say Tag Team Ichigo, Tech Rangaku, Speed Byakuya, now that he has a 50-hit Vortex. There are characters that you might want. I'm not saying that you should do it personally, but if you want it, at the very least, it's an option. So that, in my opinion, is incredibly clutch, because there are so many seasonal characters that I have not been able to get a hold of, and now I'm guaranteed to at the very least get one of them. You know what I mean? So instead of choosing attribute or what attribute we should get, this is pretty much what's going to take over, and in my opinion, this is an excellent change, and I commend K-Lab, because this anniversary already seems to be much better than last year. Last year there's one free multi, right, for the this banner. I'm hoping that this is actually either premium pool or this actual banner. I don't think that they're gonna let us do 100 multis. They're not gonna. I'm pretty sure they're not gonna let us do 10 multis for free on with like these two featured, since we have Bond Ichigo over here. But here we go. First step is free. 4th anniversary step up summons. It's probably gonna be. This is probably going to be the same step ups as last year. However, we're also getting. Okay. Slow down. Slow down. I'm way too excited. Keep in mind that Full Hollow Ichigo and Bankai are most likely going to be quote-unquote 2 separate characters, so it looks like the data mine leak from Riddler ended up being 100% true, which is good, because there have been some form of typos in the past, so I didn't want to confirm anything until it was true. You know, I don't like no. I do like speculation, but I don't like clickbaiting too much. Like, I'm as someone who does content on YouTube, you kind of have to clickbait a little bit, but I don't want to give fake news. You know what I'm saying? That's never been me. I don't want to do that shit. All right, so step 6 will be a 5-star from a selected pool of 12 characters. Last year it was free 150 orbs, 200 orbs, 250 orbs, 250 orbs, 250 orbs. So 750, 950, 1100 orbs to get to step 6 and do step 6, giving you a guaranteed 5-star. One thing to note also is that Anniversary Ulquiorra was the only anniversary character for that year, so the chances of getting Ulquiorra was 1 in 12. This seems to be 1 in 6. Also, it is a double chance banner after step 3 or 4, if I remember correctly, and you also get an added 2% for the premium pool. I don't know if they're going to continue and keep that, but that would be quite interesting. Let me see if I can find like 8%. Let me see if I can find this channel. Shout out to Soldex. Why is this in BBS News? Oh, SSGS is Aizen, damn, RP the GOAT. Alright, so I'm just leave it at that. But yeah, after like step 4 or 5, it's 8% rates, 6% for the featured banner, featured pool of characters. Keep in mind that these pools are usually incredibly good. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on, catch me up, stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Appreciate y'all. And yeah, let's get hyped. Make sure you start saving those orbs. I would highly advise you to. It's Mugetsu from Ichigo. Hopefully these characters are in the premium pool, but I can't guarantee that until it's completely confirmed. That's the first thing I'm going to confirm when that banner comes out. Stay blessed, y'all. I love y'all. I'll see y'all next one. Peace.